Hey guys, welcome. 2012 Ford 50. I'm not even sure. Put my glasses on. On this video, cylinders number 3 and 4. Plug and a miles, 170,000 miles. There. Alright, here's our part. 615-188. Okay, beauty, huh? All the gaskets, everything you need in one package. It's not damaged, right? Nope. Bag of goodies. This is much lighter actually. So, get all the bolts cleaned. I'll put a picture somewhere in here. But it's we'll follow the sequence here. We'll do it by hand and then torque it. So I'm also replacing this PVC valve. The one from a while back. It's a Ford. She's a little bit of a silk glide. Right there, click. So I replaced all the O-rings on the bottom of the injectors. I don't like to reuse them. I don't want to cause a lean condition or anything like that. That does not come on the kit. I could swear back when Dorman started, they used to come on the kit. But I don't know. So I got myself some injector O-rings here. Hopefully these will be the right ones. Oh yeah. Looks like, yep. Okay. Make sure they're all lined up. The only problem with these are everything is plastic. They're like sheet metal screws, plastic screws. I gotta make sure this is good enough for there. They're all in. Okay. I do all these by hand. Okay. It's gotta go more. Don't worry. Oh, that's the wrong one there. This is an awkward position to be in. Jeez. Make sure that's straight. This is we'll crack that bitch up. Okay. Now we can come cleaning all the coils, and you know the deal. I'm gonna clean them all up, make sure the holes are clean for the coils, for the spark plugs, which it should be, and I'll be back. I cleaned them yesterday. Really, we should put new coils in it, but whatever. Punch now. Bam. The arrow goes like that. So it's easier if you start at this coil there with no other coils here, because you can see a bolt. Same thing on the other side, but you have to go out there. Just easier to do it. I'm putting the bracket, no big deal there. Connecting all my hoses, and I'll put the air filter box back on, and I'll be back. Alright, cleaned it. Oh, my finger. Doing it on my phone here. Charged it. Leave a coil unplugged. Oh no, it seems better now. Seems like she's shaking a little bit. Better now. So it does have a little bit of a... I'm going to bleed the air out, and I'll put the skin on, and we'll go from there. It will disturb the coil. Alright, so there was like a misfire on 6. So that's 5. But it went away. Might have some shit in there. It's been running for a while now, so we're gonna go for a little drive. Where you guys want to go? You guys want to watch the scan tool? You gotta drive these things slow, man. Look, I don't know if you guys be able to see it back there. She is packed. The power balance looks pretty good. We're gonna call this one fixed. I mean, we reuse all the coils. You guys know how notorious those are for misfiring. But I like that. It's not too bad. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.